Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Yeada here. For those of you that are new, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Sunday reset routine. This routine is pretty much the same every Sunday depending on what I have going on for the upcoming week. But once I'm back from church service and I've uploaded my video for the day, I like to get right to it. So as y'all can see, I've turned on my music, do a little spring cleaning and laundry. Then I head to the grocery store to stock up for the week. I try to pick up some healthy snacks and also some healthy foods. You know, we got to stay healthy. Once I have completed that, I like to come back and write out my to-do list for the week. Just a few content ideas and what brains I want to pitch to. So sit back, relax, and enjoy my Sunday reset.
Let's take this overboard now.
Making me cry, missing my time the whole time, so just be.
won't you? Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, please miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth, and I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth, and I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, please you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth, and I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words.
Alright, y'all, so I have made it back home after going to Trader Joe's. Y'all know that's my spot. I did pick up a few items for the week. I really don't meal prep for the week. What I like to do is just cook at night and make enough for lunch the next day. So I did pick up these. I saw this on Instagram, but this is the Ready Veggies. And it has broccoli, Brussels sprouts, red cabbage, kale, carrots, and snow peas. So I thought this would be perfect for like a stir fry or something this week. And then of course I just picked up my regulars, which is broccoli, shrimp burgers. I have my peanuts. Y'all know I can't go to Trader Joe's without getting my pork rinds, noodles, and the clam sauce, hash browns, and of course we got us some Granny Smith apples for the week. And I do need to cut that pineapple over there too. But so that was everything that I picked up at Trader Joe's today. I did make a stop at Whole Foods and picked up these really cute tulips. They had these on sale and I thought these were super cute. And I'm like, I know once they bloom, they're gonna be gorgeous. So I did get that as well. So I'm about to put these groceries up and then we are going to, well, I'm going to basically put together my calendar or write out things that I need to do for this week. So let's do it. Let's do it. Okay guys, so hopefully you have enjoyed my Sunday reset routine. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you like to do on Sundays to get ready for your week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.